Someone really lost their bird.
He wants that chip.
He just doesn't want to come by. He really wants the chip. Why doesn't he just float down like every bird does?
He's coming down.
Go tell him.
Tell him?
Yeah, somebody needs to be ready to take him. I'm not going to take him.
I'll take him.
Walk over there and tell him he's coming down to get this chip. Come on.
I wish I can pet him. I wish I can pet him.
Come on.
How does somebody lose their bird this badly?
Oh.
I mean, like...
I think he wanted to be ours. I think he wanted to
Come here.
I think he wants to come to our bird. Because I think it's his
Come on. I might want to go inside in a minute first. I'm going to try to get this bird to come down.
Okay, I'll watch from a distance.
I think the bird wants to be, I think the bird is Rico's friend. I think the bird is Rico's friend. I think that bird is Rico's friend. And I think he wants Rico.
Yeah, I got it.
It's coming down.
Birds his parents are just like a man.
It's coming down.
Put something good in their face.
You know what I'm wondering? Is how come it doesn't just float down like every other bird would.
Because they're parrots. He's not used to flying.
Oh,
He can fly, obviously.
that explains a lot.
But he's not used to flying.
Well, Rico can fly.
Once a tree, come and get it.
My neck really hurts now.
I think he's looking at the shark.
So maybe we're going to take him. It's down to the stand that he stays on out there, so maybe he'll see it.
He knocked this right off. He softened his head. Turned upside down.
Yeah.
Turned it upside down.
Yeah. There's a tree. There's a tree.
He started climbing down. Come on. Come here, Polly.
Wait, really?
I'm gonna close it now. Bye.